Hello, everyone, and welcome back to lesson number 5 with me, Teacher Jace, as always. Now let's begin lesson 5 with our our fun fact. Now I wonder, what kind of fun fact are we going to learn today? Let's take a look together. So this is Warren E. Buffett. He is a very, very rich old man, and this is his daily routine. So let's go through this together. He gets up at 6:45. So, wow, that is early. Do you get up at 6:45? Yes or no? All right, I get up at 7:30. Now, after he gets up, he goes and has breakfast at McDonald's. Ooh, that sounds delicious. I love McDonald's breakfast. All right, so we get up at 6:45, then we have breakfast at McDonald's. After that, he has some Coca-Cola, so he drinks a Coke. All right, so that's a nice little thing to do during the day, have a Coke. After the Coke, maybe an hour or two later, he will then jog, so go for a nice light jog, or he will play ping pong. That sounds like fun. I like that. When he's finished that, he takes a break and he reads books in his office. All right, Mr. Buffett. Very good job. Reading books is always a good thing to do. Do you like to read books? Yes or no? All right, great job, everybody. Then he will play the ukulele or play cards with some friends. That sounds like a lot of fun. And finally, he goes to sleep at 10:45. So this is Warren E. Buffett's daily routine. Now, it's very different from Teacher Jace's daily routine. My routine goes, I get up at 7:30, I drink a coffee or go buy a coffee, I then go to work and buy another coffee, then I have lunch, I go home and I play video games with my friends, then I watch YouTube, and then finally I go to bed at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. I know, I stay up very late, but that's my daily routine. Now, I have a question. Would you love this kind of lifestyle when you are old? So after you've grown up, after you're finished your job, would you just love to have this kind of life? Yes or no? All right, great answer. I think this is a very relaxing lifestyle, so I would definitely hope to have this lifestyle when I am old. Now, let's continue on, everybody, and it's time for us to learn some new vocabulary. So let's learn some new words and or phrases. Come on, everybody. So now we can see there's this guy standing outside of a house. And let's take a look at our sentence together. He lives in Canada. That's where I'm from. He kind of looks like me, doesn't he? Maybe that's a young Teacher Jace. So he lives in Canada. Now, we live in Thailand. So let's say this together. Repeat after me. He lives in Canada. We live in Thailand. Great job, everybody. And that brings us to our first key word, live. Let's say this together. Live. 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 Great job, everybody. Well done. Now, I have a question. Where do we live? So we're up in outer space, and I got 2 planets for you. So do we live A, on Earth, or B, on Mars? What do you think? A or B? You tell me. That's right. We live on Earth. Aliens live on Mars, but people like you and me live on Earth. Great job! Now let's continue on and let's learn some more vocabulary together. Here's our next sentence. Listen carefully and repeat after me. We have to stay at home for a long time because of the virus. So one more time. We have to stay at home for a long time because of the virus. Now it's your turn to repeat that sentence. Great job, everybody. And that is our next vocabulary word, stay. Let's say this together. Stay. 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 We have to stay at home. Great job, everybody. Well done. Now let's continue on. And our next sentence to say together is, the family does the housework together. So repeat after me. The family does the housework together. Great job, everybody. And our next keyword is housework. 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 So some examples of housework are sweeping or mopping the floor, cleaning the dishes, taking out the garbage. All right, so now let's continue on. You can buy a house, but you can't buy a home. So what that means is, home is where you make it. You can buy a house, sure, but you can't buy the home because home is wherever you want it to be. So let's say this sentence together. You can buy a house, but you can't buy a home. Great job, boys and girls. Well done. And our next key word, home. 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 Excellent job, everybody. Well done. So now, oh, look at that. That looks delicious. Excuse me. Hello? Can I have some? Ma'am, can I have some? Doesn't that look delicious? I would love to be eating that. So let's read our sentence. It is 12 o'clock. Let's have lunch. Yes, please share your lunch with me, ma'am. No, she's not going to share with me. So let's just say our sentence together instead. It is 12 o'clock. Let's have lunch. Great job, everybody. Well done. And our next keyword, lunch. 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 So we know lunch. Lunch is after breakfast, but before dinner. Lunch. All right. So now let's continue on and let's take a look. From 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., we say good afternoon. And from 6 p.m. until we go to bed, we say good evening. So, all right, everybody, so quite the long sentence I want you to read. So repeat after me. From 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., we say good afternoon. Great job. And from 6 p.m. until we go to bed, we say good evening. Great job, everybody. And that brings us 2 new words. Repeat after me. Afternoon. 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 Evening. 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 Great job, everybody. Well done. So now, let's take a look at our next word. What's going on here? Hey, look, the train. So what is happening? The train arrives at the station. Let's say this together. The train arrives at the station. Great job. And that's our next word. Repeat after me. Arrive. 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 The train arrives at the station. Great job, everybody. Well done. Now, let's continue on. We have 2 friends here, and we can spend all day playing and studying together. Let's say this sentence together. We can spend all day playing and studying together. Great job, everybody. Well done. And our next keyword, together. 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 Great job, everybody. Well done. So now, let's spell all of these words together. Starting with our first word. Do you remember what word it is? Can you tell me the word? That's right. live. Now, how do we spell live? Can you tell me? That's right. L-I-V-E. Well done. Live. Let's spell it together one more time. L-I-V-E. Great job. Our next word. What word is this? That's right. Housework. Can you spell housework? You got it. H-O-U-S-E-W-O-R-K. Housework. Can you spell it one more time? Great job. What is our next mystery word? Do you have any idea? Stay. Now, how do we spell stay? Can you spell stay? You got it. S-T-A-Y. Let's spell it one more time. Great job, everybody. Next up is what word? What do you think this word is? Yes, evening. Now, how do we spell evening? Can you spell evening for me? All right, let's see if you have the correct answer. That's right, E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. Let's spell it one more time. Fantastic work, everybody. Moving on to our next word. It's the meal we eat after breakfast, but before dinner. What is that called? That's right, you got it. Lunch. Now, how do we spell lunch? L-U-N-C-H. Let's say it together one more time. L. Yes. Now we have what word? Can you tell me what this word is? You're right. Afternoon. Now, let's spell afternoon. That's right. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Let's spell it one more time. Great job. Moving on to our next word. What word is this? Arrive. Can you spell arrive? A-R-R-I-V-E. Well done. Now let's spell it one more time. Great job, everybody. And our last word is, can you say it together? That's right, it's together. And how do we spell together? You got it. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Let's spell it one more time. Great job. So now it's time for our word list. I want you to look at the picture that's going to be right here and then say the word out loud for me. Let's take a look at the first picture. Anybody have any idea what this picture might mean? That's right. Live. Let's say it together. Live. Let's take a look at the next one. What does this say? Stay. Well done. One more time. Stay. Great job. Our next one. What could this mean? You're right. Housework. Let's say it together one more time. Housework. Great job. The next one. Home. Well done. Let's say it one more time. Home. Excellent work. Our next one is lunch. Great job. One more time. Say that word. Excellent job. Let's continue on with the next one. Good. Good afternoon. Well done. You got it. So let's say afternoon. Well done. And good evening. Great job. One more time. Let's say it together. Evening. Great job. The next one. Arrive. Excellent job. So let's say that. Arrive. Fantastic. And our last word is together. So can we all say together? Great job, everybody. So now let's practice. I have 5 sentences and 5 words. So let's try and fill in the blanks together. Our words are stay, arrive, together, live, and afternoon. So let's read number 1. Let's have lunch tomorrow, blank, at 1:30. Let's have lunch tomorrow. What do you think? Do you think it is stay? No. Arrive? No. Together? Maybe. Live? No. Afternoon? Maybe. So what do you think? Together or afternoon? Let's take a look at the answer. Let's have lunch tomorrow afternoon at 1:30. Great job. So let's say number 1 together. Let's have lunch tomorrow afternoon at 1:30. Now it's your turn. Great job. Let's do number 2. Can we play blank today after school? Can we play what? What do you think the answer is? Together? Let's take a look. Together. Great job. So let's read number 2 together. Can we play together today after school? Now it's your turn. Great job. Number 3. I feel sick and want to blank at home today. What do you think the answer is? You got it. Stay at home today. So let's read number 3. I feel sick and want to stay at home today. Fantastic work. Number 4. What time will your flight? What? You're right. Arrive. So let's say number 4 together. What time will your flight arrive? Great job. Which means number 5. Can you read number 5 for me, please? That's right. I live in Bangkok. Let's say it one more time. I live in Bangkok. Great job, everybody. And that is it for our class today. Good job. And I will see you again next time. As always, my name is Teacher Jace. That's right. And this is goodbye for now.